Hello everybody, welcome back. I have my design team package here in front of me for March, and I also have my Lawn Fawn new release stuff in from Not Too Shabby. So Jamie has some new business cards to match her new logo, so that's really exciting. This is so adorable and has all the information you need on there, as well as a reminder of the rewards program. So don't forget to create an account, and you earn 1 reward for every $1 you spend, and then you can redeem those rewards to take money off your purchase. And free shipping on US orders over $60, so don't forget that as well. And you can use my coupon code JEN10, that's Jen with 2 N's, 10, to save 10% off your total order. So how awesome is that? So Jamie always creates these adorable little cards or tags to go along with the design team stamp, which is so thoughtful and sweet. And this is ACC Designs stamp set, which I can't wait to get my hands on. I think that might be my Easter stamp for this year. And it just says, "For my favorite peep," which is so cute, and just a little thank you note on the inside. Love the distress background that Jamie's done. Really, really, really cute. So my design team stamp that I picked out for this month, I'll untie this. So I picked out the Neat and Tangled. This one here, the S'more Fun, which is so cute. I can't wait to color this up and make a card to share with you all. How adorable is this? So cute. Makes me think of summer and camping, and I just love how all the little components of the s'more are separate. So the graham cracker, the marshmallows, and the piece of chocolate. So because this was a smaller stamp, Jamie also sent me, let's get that light out of the way. She sent me this Brush Bunny by Gerda Steiner Designs. It's this cute little guy painting his eggs. So I think I might maybe use this to make some tags for my staff at work. Really sweet stamp set. Love the font of the sentiments, and it says "Love you, thank you, and happy Easter." So you could really use these for any card, even with this stamp set or not. And I love the little brush stroke heart as well, so you could have the little bunny, make it look like they're painting, he or she is painting this little heart or the sentiments. So that's my design team package. That's what you can expect coming up this month. Oh goodness. And then Lawn Fawn, yay. So exciting. So I'll just throw everything up here. And so I purchased the Really Rainbow 6x6 inch petite paper pack. So you get 36 sheets, all super fun rainbows. How beautiful is this? And I feel like I've seen more people purchase the Perfectly Plaid, the spring one, and then they came out with a gingham. I don't feel like I've seen as many people having purchased this one, and it's so beautiful. I love that paper there. So I'm excited to create some bright cards with that. This was the free purchase with the pre-order Lawn Fawn that Jamie had, and so just another bonus for shopping at Not Too Shabby. Jamie always has free with purchase items in the store, and they change quite frequently because she knows how much we all have issues and like to shop. So I really love that about Jamie's shop. So this was the year, is it year 7, I think? Year 8. I can't believe it. Year 8 that Lawn Fawn has been around. So it's a little fortune cookie with the fortune, "You will have a happy birthday," which is great because I feel like I need a lot of birthday cards. So I also purchased the happy birthday line border as well. I thought that that would give another kind of element to a larger card so that I could use this. So looking forward to that. My favorite of the release was the Hey There, so stinking cute with the little farm animals. So the sheep, the cow, the horse, the pig, the goat, and the chicks. So cute. Love it. I love the can for the goat. I was also really excited about the mini picture frames. Love this. So you can have them hanging on the wall, either by a bow or what would be like picture hanging string or something. And then this one looks like it's a little nail. This one you could have it hanging from a heart. And then you've got the 4 different frames. I feel like I could be putting anything and everything into these frames, so I'm super excited about that. And finally, I did purchase the Beam Me Up with these little alien guys. So super cute. And I picked this one up because I purchased the new glow-in-the-dark embossing powder, and I liked this one because it says glow-in-the-dark, and then it's got the little psst, which is so cute. The I glow in the dark, I glow in the dark, and then lights out. So lots of different sentiments. The lights out and I glow in the dark fit in this little rectangle. So I purchased that, but I also thought the glow in the dark would be really great for the Beam Me Up, and also bringing in an older stamp set. This one's well loved. This was gifted to me by someone who wasn't using it any longer. So it's quite inked up, but this is the Monster Mash. This is an older one, and so I thought obviously this little guy matches him and this one, so I thought it would be fun if you wanted to pair that. So that's what I got from the new Lawn Fawn release. Super excited to play with it. I hope you guys are excited to see what I create this month. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you're most excited to see me work with, whether it's the Lawn Fawn, this s'more set, or the little bunny. And I will see you guys all very soon in another video. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.